Speak Up English, the key to success.
Hey, Alex. Got a minute? I want to talk about something important.
Sure, Emma. What's up?
I've been thinking about how to improve my English speaking. Got any tips?
Oh, definitely. First thing, practice as much as you can. Ever tried talking to yourself?
Talk to myself? Sounds funny, but no, not really.
It's actually helpful. You get to hear yourself and correct mistakes. Plus, no one's judging.
Makes sense. What about watching movies or shows in English? Does that help?
Totally. Especially with subtitles. You learn pronunciation and get used to different accents.
What if I don't understand everything they say?
Don't worry about that. Just pick up what you can. It gets easier with time. Got a favorite show?
I love Friends. It's hilarious and I pick up a lot of slang.
Perfect choice. Also, try imitating the actors. It's fun and helps with fluency.
Imitating? Like copying what they say?
Yeah, exactly. It's like a fun exercise. You get the intonation and rhythm right.
Cool. I'll try that. Any other tips?
Join a language exchange or find a speaking partner. Ever done that?
Not yet. How do I find a partner?
There are lots of apps and websites. You can meet people who want to learn your language and teach you theirs.
That sounds awesome. Might be a bit scary though.
It is at first, but it's worth it. You make friends and improve your skills.
You've done it?
Yep. Met some great people. It's really helped my confidence.
Speaking of confidence, any tips on that?
Just keep talking, even if you make mistakes. Laugh at yourself and learn from them.
Got it. Mistakes are part of the process, huh?
Exactly. And reading out loud helps too. Ever tried that?
No, but I will. Thanks, Alex. This is super helpful.
Anytime, Emma. Let's practice together too.
Definitely. Let's catch up tomorrow for more tips.
Sure thing. See you tomorrow, Emma.
See ya, Alex. Hey Alex, ready for round 2 of English tips?
Absolutely. What do you want to focus on today?
I've been thinking about vocabulary. How can I expand it effectively?
Good question. Reading is a great way. Do you read English books?
Sometimes, but it's hard to find time. Any shortcuts?
Try reading articles or short stories online. They're quicker and just as useful.
Sounds good. How about writing? Does that help with speaking?
Definitely. Keeping a journal in English can improve your skills a lot.
A journal? What should I write about?
Anything. Your day, thoughts, or even fictional stories. Just keep writing.
Okay, I'll start that. What about learning new words? Got any tricks?
Flashcards are great. Ever use them?
I've heard of them, but never tried.
They're super useful. You can make your own or use apps like Anki or Quizlet.
Cool. I'll check those out. Any other tips for remembering new words?
Use them in sentences. The more you use a word, the more it sticks.
Makes sense. I'll try to use new words in my journal entries.
Great idea. And talking to native speakers helps too. You get exposed to everyday vocabulary.
Yeah, I need to find more opportunities for that. Any suggestions?
Language meetups or online forums can be useful. Ever heard of meetup.com?
No, what's that?
It's a site where people organize group activities. You can find language exchange events there.
That sounds perfect. I'll look into it. What about online practice?
There are lots of websites and apps where you can chat with native speakers. Have you tried any?
Not yet. Got any recommendations?
Try HelloTalk or Tandem. They're popular and have lots of users.
I'll download them today. Thanks, Alex.
No problem. Oh, and another fun tip, play word games.
Word games? Like Scrabble?
Exactly. Scrabble, crosswords, or even mobile games like Wordscapes.
That sounds fun. I love games.
They're a great way to learn without feeling like you're studying.
Awesome. I've got so many new ideas now.
Glad I could help. Let's practice some vocabulary tomorrow.
For sure. See you tomorrow, Alex.
See ya, Emma.